Good morning to our EPISD leadership teams. We want to start by welcoming you to Teacher Prep Week, and we are super excited to start our regular online communication with you to make sure we all stay up to date. Today, I'm going to go real quickly over where you can find all of your PBIS resources to roll out a successful positive behavior intervention and support year for our 2019-2020 school year, and there will be more to come, but here we're going to start with some basics.
Once you have logged into Schoology, you will click on Groups at the top of your screen. To the right side, you will click on My Groups, and then you're going to click on Join a Group if you have not already. The access code for this group is at the bottom of your screen. Once you have joined the PBIS group, it will take you to our Updates page. If you notice, we are super excited to be continuing with our PBIS on all campuses district-wide. The first place that you will see are any updates that have anything to do with PBIS. The first one that you might see here is just a video that we put up for our teachers to be able to show our students upon return to school. If you would like to see the full video, please feel free to come visit our site. However, with the sake of time that I know is valuable to us all, we will quit there. When you click on the resources, you will start by seeing the PBIS resource guide. The best thing for you to do is to actually download. We have the first edition, and then we also have the second edition. The best idea is to download that resource guide and take a look at the contents of it. When you think about the contents, it starts with the basic, which people who are maybe brand new to our district and need to have that crash course on PBIS. It also will go into more deep thought and deep implementation of PBIS. My idea might be to print and review page 4, add to it different things that are specific to your campus, such as the faculty commitment, anyone who is interested in joining your PBIS team, faculty expectations, you definitely want to go over that, as well as any recognition program, your discipline flow chart, as well as any discipline data. In addition, I'll show you just in a minute where you can find behavior lesson plans, as well as different ways in which we want to make sure that PBIS is successfully and fully implemented on all campuses. From there, this document is 149 pages, and it would take me way too long. This is a resource for you that we expect and hope that you will be able to use somehow on your campuses. Going back to our Schoology site, in addition to our PBIS resources, we do have a campus behavior lesson plans. We've got different lesson plans to be used at your discretion, of course. The first one, Cool Tool Lesson Plans, you already know about these. It downloads for you the zip folder. And inside that zip folder, you're going to find both elementary lesson plans as well as your secondary lesson plans. As you click on them, you'd be able to see what is it about. We'll just go ahead and start with arrival and dismissal under Cool Tools. And again, here is the expectation, why, how your teachers might roll it out to students, and then some different activities that they can do. In addition to our Cool Tools, we now also have our PBIS along with 3 signature practices. Again, the best way to do this one is to download the document to save for formatting. This document is always meant for you to modify at your leisure and as you see fit. And so once those are downloaded, if you notice, they are in a Microsoft Word format to be able to allow for anyone to come in and change, perhaps add a logo. And they all start with basically our school-wide expectation. What is the goal? Why is it important? We go into our 3 signature practices: welcoming ritual, engaging activity, and really directly teaching the expectations to our students. And then finally closing with an optimistic closure, which of course can be utilized as you see fit based on brain break, student voice, family inclusion, and literacy. The second page is always going to be a possible poster that you can post around your campus. It is related to the lesson that the students are learning on top. And again, they are all able to be modified to the expectations that you have on your campus. Riding the bus is our second one. We will go into, again, this is something that we recommend go onto our buses and really be taught to all students. It's very important that our students know what the expectations are and where they should be traveling. If you notice again, here is that poster we talked about just a second ago that can be, again, made into posters and posted around your campus. It goes on and on with different lessons, different expectations, and again, if we went over them all, imagine. Just to end the particular area on our lesson plans for expectations, we include a blank document that you can add to your particular campuses as it pertains to the school-wide expectations, and followed by, of course, a potential poster that can be posted to support. Finally, let's go ahead and head back to our Schoology page. Again, within the resources document, you will also find our PBIS professional learning for 2019-2020, which will be rolling out soon. We also have our archived PL sessions from 2018-2019, and then we've also got our archived sessions from 2017-2018. Finally, for all of our campuses, your folders are in the exact same spot as they were. If you're an elementary campus, you would click on the elementary campus. You would go ahead and find your campus. You would open up that campus, and within it, you would find the artifacts that really help us help you make sure that PBIS is working and functioning on your campus. So we've got our elementary campuses, followed by our middle school campuses, followed by our high school campuses. If you have any questions for PBIS on Schoology, please feel free, check it out, let us know.